To turn on aim assist in Fortnite, start by opening the menu and selecting your avatar. Then navigate to the gear icon to access the settings. Within the settings, go to the right-hand side of the top menu and select the controller icon with a gear. From there, scroll down to the sensitivity section and enable the advanced options at the bottom. Once advanced options are turned on, new settings will appear. So scroll down to the advanced sensitivity section. Here, you'll find aim assist strength, which can be adjusted by moving the slider. A setting of 0% will disable aim assist, while any value above 0% will enable it. And 100% will provide full aim assist after making the desired change. Select Apply in the bottom right corner. Then back out to return to the game. With these steps, you should now have aim assist enabled in Fortnite.